Think you know your car? Think again. What if I told you your car has secret features that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands, by avoiding repairs or tickets? Stay with me, and I'll show you 15 secret tricks your car's been hiding from you. Breathe fresh air button. Have you ever been driving and suddenly smelled something bad like smoke or dust? Maybe you were stuck behind a truck or in a busy construction zone. That's when the recirculation button, the one with a little car and a round arrow, becomes your best friend. Press it and your car stops pulling in outside air, reusing the cleaner air inside. No smoke, no dust, no pollution. Plus, it boosts AC efficiency by up to 20%, cooling faster and working less. Perfect for heavy traffic and polluted areas, it also keeps your cabin air filter cleaner, saving money on maintenance. You'll find this feature in most modern cars: Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Tata, Kia, Honda, Toyota, Skoda, BMW, and more. Many people don't know what this button does, but once you use it, you'll always remember. It's like a small shield keeping bad air out and fresh air in. The fuel cap holder. After the fresh air button, here's another tiny feature most people ignore: the fuel cap holder. Next time you open your gas tank door, look for a small hook or notch. It's not just decoration, it's made to hold your fuel cap while you pump gas. But many drivers let the cap hang down or place it on the roof, which can scratch your paint or let dust and dirt get into the fuel system. And here's where it gets expensive. Dirt can clog your fuel injectors, damage the fuel pump, and even cause engine failure. Repairs like that can easily cost over $2,000. By simply using this hook, you help keep dirt out, protect your fuel system, and avoid costly repairs. 99% of drivers don't use it. It takes 2 seconds, it costs nothing, but it can save you thousands. So next time you fill up, use that little hook. It's more powerful than it looks. Key fob brain hack. So far, we've seen how even tiny parts of your car can save you big money. But now, let's talk about something that feels more like science fiction, using your head to unlock your car. Literally. Ever found yourself in a massive parking lot, clicking your key fob over and over, trying to find your car? Here's a trick you've probably never heard from the dealership: press the key fob against your head. Sounds strange, but it actually works. Since your brain is mostly made of water, it helps carry the signal from your key fob much farther. A fob that usually works only up to 30 feet can suddenly reach over 80 feet when you press it against your head. It might sound like a joke, but in big open spaces like airport lots or stadium parking areas, this trick can actually save you time and frustration. And here's a bonus most people don't know. Many key fobs have a hidden mechanical key inside. Just look for a small latch on the side. If your fob battery dies, you can still unlock the car manually. It's a lifesaver in emergencies. So next time you're walking in circles with a shopping cart, just remember, your head might be the best remote extender you've got. Emergency shift lock release. After unlocking your car with your brain, let's talk about another secret one that could literally save your day if your battery dies. Imagine you're stuck in traffic, your car battery gives out, and now you can't even shift into neutral to push it out of the way. Most people panic. But your car has a hidden trick: the emergency shift lock release. It's usually a small plastic cover near the gear shifter. Pop it open using your key or a flat screwdriver. Press the button inside, and just like that, you can shift into neutral, even with zero battery power. This tiny feature can help you avoid blocking traffic, getting towed, or being stuck in a dangerous spot. And the best part? It's free, no tools, no mechanic, just a little know-how. Knowing where this is could save you hours of waiting, average $150 plus tow bill, and a whole lot of stress. And hey, if you ever use it to help someone else, you won't just feel smart, you'll look like a roadside legend. Road condition indicators. After knowing how to get out of trouble when your car won't shift, here's a feature that helps you avoid trouble in the first place. The icy road warning. See that little snowflake icon on your dashboard? It's not just for show. It's a smart sensor that watches the temperature and warns you when the roads might be slippery. Many reports says, every year, there are about more than 150,000 crashes because of icy roads. Many of those could be avoided if drivers had better warnings. Some newer cars don't stop at just one warning. When the temperature drops too low, the light changes from yellow to red, telling you it's time to be extra careful. And the coolest part? The latest systems talk to other cars nearby, sharing road condition info in real time. Imagine hundreds of weather scouts ahead, helping keep everyone safe. So next time you see that snowflake, don't ignore it. Your car is trying to keep you safe with some pretty amazing tech. Color-coded engine components. Have you ever noticed some parts under your hood are brightly colored, yellow, blue, or red, while others are plain black or gray? That's not random. It's a smart way car makers help you know what you can safely handle yourself and what should be left to the mechanic. Those bright colors show where you can add things like oil, coolant, or windshield washer fluid without worry. By understanding this color code, you can avoid paying mechanics for simple jobs that usually cost around $30 to $100. Over time, this can add up to saving hundreds of dollars on maintenance. Plus, the color system helps prevent costly mistakes like putting the wrong fluids in the wrong places, can cause serious damage and lead to repairs that cost thousands of dollars. So when you see yellow, think oil. Blue usually means coolant or washer fluid. And red, that's often transmission fluid. This system is used by many popular brands like Toyota, Ford, Honda, BMW, and Subaru to make car care easier and less expensive for drivers. Remote window controls. Here's another smart feature that makes summer days way easier. Ever wished you could cool down your car before stepping inside on a blazing hot day? Many modern cars have a hidden remote window control for just that. If you drive a Kia, Volkswagen, or Hyundai, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for 3 seconds to roll down the windows. Honda and Volvo drivers press unlock once, then hold it again. No remote? Use your key in the driver's door lock, turn to unlock, keep turning clockwise to lower windows, or counterclockwise to close them. This trick isn't just convenient, it's a lifesaver. Cars parked in the sun can reach 130 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, making seat buckles unbearable and posing health risks. Venting out the heat first keeps everyone comfortable. No fancy upgrades needed, just unlock, cool down, and drive away stress-free. Anti-glare rear view features. When someone behind you turns on their high beams, flipping that tab changes the mirror so it cuts down the glare. Instead of the bright light hitting your eyes, it bounces up toward the roof of your car. This simple trick helps you see clearly without being blinded. It's surprising, but many older drivers actually avoid driving at night because of headlight glare, even though this feature has been around forever. Newer cars have taken it further with mirrors that dim automatically when they detect bright lights, thanks to special sensors and technology inside the mirror. It's like your mirror wears sunglasses for you when the sun goes down. This little adjustment or automatic dimming helps keep your eyes comfortable and your focus sharp during night drives, making the road safer for everyone. Conversation mirrors. Continuing from the anti-glare mirror, here's another handy feature that helps you keep an eye on your passengers without turning your head. Conversation mirrors. If you've ever wished you could keep an eye on kids or pets in the back seat while keeping your focus on the road, many SUVs and minivans hide a special mirror inside the sunglass holder above the rear view mirror. Open it up and you get a full view of the back seat. No more risky twisting or glancing back. This mirror lets you check on passengers safely. Pet owners can also quickly see if their animals are behaving during the drive. It's a simple feature, but a huge help to keep everyone safe and give you peace of mind. And if you're enjoying these tips so far, be sure to subscribe. There are 5 more awesome car hacks coming that can save you big money, including a must-know tip every driver should have. Hidden storage compartments. Automakers like Jeep, Infiniti, Volkswagen, and Toyota have been quietly building secret storage into their vehicles for years. From under-seat bins in the Volkswagen Golf to armrest cubbies in the Infiniti G35, and even a built-in cool box in the Toyota Hilux, these compartments help keep your valuables hidden from thieves, potentially saving you $200 to $500 in stolen items or broken windows. Not only do these compartments boost security, they also help you stay organized, reducing the need for extra organizers or storage gear, which could cost another $50 to $100. So before spending on aftermarket storage solutions, explore your car. You might find that the space you need is already built and just cleverly disguised. Easy Fill Tire Alert. Here's one that can save you real money every time you visit the air pump, and most drivers don't even know it's there. In cars like the Nissan Rogue, Altima, and Pathfinder, there's a smart system called Easy Fill Tire Alert. No need for pressure gauges or guesswork, just start inflating, and the car flashes its lights to show it's reading the pressure. Once it hits the perfect PSI, it gives a single honk. Keep going, and it'll honk again with flashing hazards to warn you you've overfilled. Underinflated tires are sneaky money eaters. They can cost you up to $100 per year in extra fuel and wear your tires out faster, potentially adding another $600 in early replacements. That's nearly $700 a year saved, just by letting your car do the monitoring. GMC, Cadillac, and Jeep have also adopted similar systems in select models. So the next time you're at the air pump, remember your car might already be equipped with a built-in tire assistant and all you have to do is listen for the beep. Night vision capabilities. Yes, some cars come equipped with actual night vision, like something straight out of a spy movie. Brands like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes have been quietly using infrared sensors to help drivers see up to 600 feet ahead in complete darkness. These systems don't just light up the road, they reveal heat signatures of people, animals, or obstacles, and passive versions, even more powerful. They detect natural body heat and can spot movement up to 1,000 feet away through fog, rain, even behind bushes. Originally built for military use, this tech is slowly trickling down to civilians, and aftermarket night vision kits are now available for a few $100s instead of five-figure luxury upgrades. That means you could prevent a nighttime collision and save not only lives, but thousands in potential repairs, insurance hikes, or lawsuits. Some estimates say a single animal strike accident costs an average of $3,000 to $6,000 in damage. Don't be surprised if this life-saving visibility tech shows up in your next mid-size SUV. It's not just for the elite anymore, it's becoming essential. Fuel cap arrow indicator. Here's a tiny dashboard detail that quietly saves you time, stress, and even money. That little triangle next to your fuel icon? It's not just decoration, it tells you exactly which side your fuel cap is on. Sounds simple, but if you've ever pulled into a gas station and guessed wrong, you know how frustrating it is to get out, realize your mistake, and loop around. Now imagine doing that with a rental car, company fleet, or a new purchase. This small arrow saves you from wasting time, fuel, and unnecessary wear turning around again. In fact, those extra idling minutes and repositioning maneuvers can waste up to half a gallon of fuel every month. If you fill up frequently, that's nearly $30 a year down the drain just from not knowing your tank's side. And if you're on a tight schedule, the time saved at the pump is even more valuable. Car makers like Toyota, Ford, Honda, and Chevrolet have quietly included this feature for years. It's one of those clever little things that proves good design doesn't always need to be flashy, just functional. Passenger airbag on-off key slot. Here's another hidden in plain sight feature that's all about safety and could even save lives. Tucked near the glove box or side of the dashboard in cars like the Ford Fiesta, Volkswagen Polo, and Toyota models, this key slot lets you manually disable the front passenger airbag. It's a crucial feature if you ever need to place a rear-facing child seat in the front. In the event of a crash, an active airbag can do more harm than good to a small child, which is why this switch exists. Using it could save you from upgrading to a larger car just for safe child seat space, a move that could easily cost $500 to $1,000. Once you're done, just turn the key again to reactivate the airbag. It's a simple, secure solution for modern family needs, no tech knowledge required, just your ignition key and a bit of awareness. Wiper service mode. Found in cars like the Honda Civic, Hyundai Creta, and BMW 3 Series, this mode lets your wipers stand upright after you turn off the engine. Just flick the wiper stalk up within a few seconds of shutting down, and the blades rise into position for easy cleaning or replacement, no more forcing them manually and risking damage. Most drivers skip this and end up with torn blades or bent arms, especially in winter. That can lead to replacements costing $40 to $80, and if your windshield gets scratched, you're looking at $300 or more. Using service mode keeps your blades in top shape and protects your glass, a small habit with big savings. Now that you know these secret car features, how will you put them to work and change the way you drive forever? Whether it's saving time, money, or just making your ride more comfortable and safe, these tips are game changers. Don't just drive, always drive smarter.